Hi, this is Arlene. So this is it's April 11th. So this is my left leg after being microwaved or whatever with frequencies. You can see how the veins pop out. Um, Now this won't go back in. That's permanent. And then you'll see on this leg, enough just down there. And then on my toe, you'll see where is my toe? You'll see how the bone is popping out like a knuckle compared to the other toes. And the toes, you see them, they're red. They got all these markings, and the veins are all popping out. I guess there's like a new bone starting to pop out right over here. Because I already have that one right here popping out.